the challenge. Pick your first hair, your second face, your third shirt, your fourth pants, and your fifth hat. But if you don't, then pick 4. Reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Let me fix it. I don't want to move. I don't want to be on stop. Cause I don't want to see on time. Though I don't want even it to last tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yo. I don't want to be in the hell tonight. Come on, come on. I don't need in my head. That just happened in home.
Ginawa mo, ginawa mo, nakabukas yung ilaw. Ako pa ba taga-patay? Tapos nakita ko yung basurahan. Puro basag na plato. Ano nangyari yun? Ay, sorry. Kasi pag madali yung mga tauhan ko, nakakabasag sila yun. Ang hirap sa inyo. Hindi porque hindi binabawa sa sweldo nyo. Pababayaan nyo na. Ilagay nyo naman sa puso nyo yung trabaho nyo.
Eh, yan nga sinasabi ko sa mga yan eh.
Ano yung sinasabi? Saka pa. Yung CCTV sira sa labas, binabayaan mo.
Pansin ko lang,